Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Ramadan is a blessing. It is an opportunity for Muslims to come closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When making the intention to fast in Ramadan, there is only one intention to be made, and that is that you are fasting to implement the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because anyone who witnesses the month of Ramadan must fast all this month. That is the only intention you are supposed to have in your heart, and nothing else. Because there is something that is really concerning that we often observe on social media, that they mention the health benefits of fasting. And as a result, people begin to fast with the intention of health benefits that fasting brings them. And this is incorrect. You are not supposed to intend this when fasting in Ramadan. Health benefits of fasting is a result of fasting. It's an outcome of fasting. It's not something that should be intended. So the intention should be clear, pure, and just one thing, and that is implementing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's command. That's it.